Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Imagine Credit Card. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another credit card. So for example, as you can see right here on their website, imagine a fresh start in your path to credit, imagine more spending power for day-to-day expenses, imagine a credit card with no security deposit, make it happen with Imagine Visa Credit Card. So it does sound too good to be true right here. So enjoy these great cardholder benefits so you can get instant decision, get approved for your new Imagine Visa credit card today, additional credit opportunities, zero liability fraud protection, free credit score, no security deposit, and transaction alerts. So as you can see right off the bat that this is too good to be true, and see here on Trustpilot they're rated 2.8 out of 5 stars, which is average. So as you can see, scam alert, I do not recommend. This is absolutely one of the most pathetic, egregious credit card providers I've reviewed to date. So please guys, they're very obviously a scam. Please do not trust this company. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.